Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2020 Chevrolet Silverado Custom. This one specifically is the Rally Edition. So you have your rally stripes, black badging, remote start, and a bunch of other features with this $3,800 option package. Really nice truck. I do like the design of it quite a bit. You can see the black chrome exhaust tip. Just an overall really neat looking truck. Total price on this one comes to $40,700. This is the double cab, so it's a smaller backseat area, but definitely not too cramped whatsoever. But a nice little cutout for headroom if you're wearing hard hats and stuff like that. In the cabin, nice and quiet. This one is fitted with the 2.7 liter turbo. Nice black badging. I'm gonna go ahead, put it into tow haul mode, and head out on the road. Eight-speed automatic transmission. The 2.7 is a pretty cool motor. It definitely provides diesel-like power delivery, so lots of torque down low. Without sacrificing power up top. Pretty cool engineering feat, this little four-cylinder. With the windows down, you can definitely hear that turbo. It's pretty cool. You can hear it spool up, hear it when the blow-off valve activates. It's pretty cool. The Rally Edition definitely looks the part. Auto start stop, of course. But yeah, the Rally Edition really sets itself apart from the normal Silverado. definitely a nice driving vehicle. Even with the 4-cylinder, it's a pretty fun truck to drive. I've definitely turned some heads too, which is always cool. Overall though, Rally Edition is something pretty cool. Definitely turns heads and sets itself apart. Adds Sirius XM to a trim level that normally wouldn't have it. Yeah, I definitely think it's worth the $3,600, $3,800, whatever it is, to get the Rally Edition. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.